Significant number of identity theft victims know the persons that victimize them. We've talked about that. And that's what makes this such a difficult crime, because we never know who might use an opportunity to use our personal, financial, or confidential information. Identity theft is one of those things that happens in the background. And the reason I say that is because lots of times you may be a victim and you don't know it. So that's why we call it the silent crime. The identity thieves start small. If they can just capture something like your date of birth, your social security number, and an address, they can have the window into your financial world. To minimize your risk for identity theft, your first line of defense is your credit report. When you check your credit report, it will let you know if anyone has opened up any accounts without your authorization, or if your credit limits are something you didn't expect, or if you've got addresses or other information that does not belong to you. Consumer Affairs feels that education is power, and knowledge is what's going to help us to be able to make better informed decisions. So we want to share information, and plus we want to get out to the community to find out what types of issues, what types of things are impacting you as consumers.